So, pretty cool. We picked up the bike. Got that going.
Yep. Shovel head.
Shovel head. Thought it was a Super Glide, but it looks like
we're not sure what it is.
Yeah, there's a badge that says Lowrider,
yeah.
But both are cool. I just find it really incredible that somebody believes in the project so much that they were able to, that they wanted to donate this anonymously, you know.
Exactly. Somebody that we didn't even know at all, and is that nice little guy.
Met him first time, talk about the project.
And then he said he had some for us.
Right. That's awesome. And he's also having a guy go through the motor, rebuild the motor. Mm-hmm. He's going to detail it for us however we want it.
Yeah, that's cool.
That's crazy. I would have never thought that. Keep calling me. So
you're going to see totally two different looks. This is the look we picked it up at, and it's totally going to be different. Because it's not going to be a lowrider. It's not going to be a Super Glide.
No.
It's going to be one of a kind.
It's right. It's going to be a stock frame. We'll leave the frame unmolested, right?
Yeah.
And the engine's being rebuilt to stock. We're not punching it out and making a hot rod out of it. It's going to be pretty cool. So we're looking at putting making like a fat tire track racer out of it, streetable racer out of it, something like that, right? We've been looking at all kinds of styles lately.
Well, when you say fat tire, we're not
not a fat rear tire.
Yeah,
I'm talking about the fat front tire. You know, both the front and rear tires are the same size.
Right.
Like a 180, 185, something like that.
And a plus, it's a kicker and electric start, so that's a plus.
So cool.
Because I've always liked kickers.
Yeah. I mean, I'm totally excited. I can't believe we're able to get what we got, and it's exactly what we were kind of looking for.
Yeah.
And what did we say? We give ourselves till the end of the year?
Yep. And
what's today? Today's the 29th of December.
Is it, or the 30th? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's the 29th.
Wow, nothing like cutting clothes. that.
Yeah.
And this is real talk, too. This isn't BS TV shit. We didn't fake that we picked it up. This is the day we picked it up.
Right, like you see on reality shows, they say, oh, it took us a week to build this thing, when you know it took, 7 months, not 7 days.
You're not building a hot rod car like that in 7 days. I don't care who you are. The paint even really, really always dry in 7 days.
Right. I mean, and talk about the style. We could just clean it up, get the parts that are chrome re-chromed. I'm just saying what we could do. Leave the paint with its own patina still on it like it is. Put it all back together and it'd be a bitchin' bike.
Oh, yeah.
But we want to make it a unique, bad bike build bike, right?
Right.
That's awesome.
And Panzer seems not to have much to say today.
No.
He's still trying to fight his ear infection.
Is that what it is? And then, so it's coming on January.
Good boy, buddy.
Yeah. It's coming on January. Then we're going to put it together as much as we can with what we got. I think we got another week or so, a couple weeks before we get the engine back.
Oh, yeah,
Isn't that what the guy said?
Yeah. But it doesn't matter, because that's going in last anyway. So
oh, yeah.
Don't need that for...
No, I know. I'm just saying. And then, sure, there's a lot... No, you can't pass this guy. Sure, there's a lot to be done to the bike. It's a basket case. There's rusted pieces on there and everything. It's going to be all taken apart. But, somebody rode the piss out of this bike. Like Jeff said, they rode it hard and put it away wet. You can tell.
That's a good thing.
Oh, I love that about it. I love that it was a bike that somebody really dug and rode the piss out of. On the blue California blue plate that says 89 or 98 is the last year it was registered. So it's sat for a good, shit, what is that? 98, 13, 14, 15 years. Jeez.
That's a shame.
Well, that part's a shame, that's for sure. But I mean,
It's a shame, but it's a good thing too, because if that wasn't the case, we probably wouldn't have it right now.